Okay. Don't be fooled by those giant 50% off signs that you're seeing at Joann's right now. Let me tell you, they got people running in Joann's thinking that they gonna say big just because they see these 50% off signs. But what I found, you're gonna have to see this. I did all the digging for you, so you don't have to, okay? And what I found out, let's just say that this is stuff that they don't want you to know. So go ahead, grab your coffee, your tea, your snack, because if you're going to Joann's, you definitely want to see this before you head to the store. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Hey everyone, I'm Rochelle, and I'm the girl that give you all the pattern sales, sew-alongs, and behind the scenes of any and everything in between. In today's video, we're going to go ahead and talk about Joann's. Like, I don't know what the heck was 50% off, but I went there just to see, because y'all know that you guys looked online and basically you guys was fooled. When it said up to 50% off, y'all missed the keyword. Up to equals it's not yet, okay? It's not 50% off yet. So I'm going to share with you guys Joann's, but then I also went to Walmart. You'll be surprised what I found in Walmart on clearance, baby. Yes, clearance. So I'm going to stop right here. Let's go ahead and go to the store, give my commentary. Let's go ahead and do it now. All right, you guys, so I'm currently outside of Joann's. I am getting ready to go in Joann's and really see what's on sale in Augusta, Georgia. So let's go ahead and go now. Let's start with these signs, up to 50% off everywhere. Sounds amazing, right? But the keyword here, like I mentioned already, it says up to. Because once you're inside, the reality hits, okay? Most of the stuff I found is 10% off, 20% off, 30% off, 40% off, if you're lucky. That's a far cry from 50% off. They're screaming about outside, inside, and everywhere in between, including the website. So Joann's 50% off what exactly? I mean, the air, the floor, the shelves. What the hell is 50% off? The paper, the signs that is printed on, because it's not the fabric. It's not the pattern. It's definitely not the notion. So like, what the hell is 50% off sign? Let me know in the comment section below. What did you find in Joann this last week that was 50% off? Because I missed it. I couldn't find it. And don't get me started on the clearance section, y'all. Some of that stuff is priced higher than regular prices elsewhere. Like, they did not just inflate the prices once. This is the second time that these prices have been inflated, okay? So I had to check, is Joann's really the best deal in town, okay? So what did I do? I went straight on over to Walmart, or Wally World as we call it. And y'all, look at this. Hey you guys, so I'm currently in Walmart and I came to check out their prices to compare to Joann. So first off, let's look at this. I'm looking at a serger that is currently on clearance for $200. Let's take a look. $200, okay? And this is the Brother 1034 DX serger, $200 on clearance. All right, let's look at some other stuff that's on clearance right now. I am looking at their needles. Their Serger needles range between $3.47 and $4.27 for the needles. So cheaper than Joann's. Look, this freight check. Found some freight check. $3.47. But let me turn the GoPro around so you can see this. So like I was saying, it's $228 for the SQ9285. This is one that I actually have right now. I actually own this one, and it's a really good brother machine. The Serger, I own this Serger, and that's $200 as well. Over here, looking at like the pens or whatnot, look at these. Like these whole box of 400 pens are $6.47 cheaper than Joann's, by the way. Let's look right here at the marking tools. So you have this white one right here, $1.97. You have the Mark Be Gone, $3.97 at Joann's. It's like $9 for this. And then right here, $4.77. That's like $9 at Joann's. Joann's been ripping everybody off for a minute though. That's why I don't buy my notions from Joann's, okay? So just to look over here, look at this. Okay, so the snap pliers is $17.88, cheaper than Joann's. And then look at the needles. Like I was telling you, like the needles, Walmart has the needles, ballpoint, overlock. I need these overlock, so I'm gonna pick up these because I need some overlock needles, and it's $3.97 for those. I'm gonna pick up a few of the universal needles for $3.47 as well. And I'm gonna pick up some ballpoint needles for $4.27. Now at Joann's, they range anywhere from $8 to $9, so just be mindful of that when you're going to your local Walmart. So once again, I am currently in Walmart looking at these prices. Now look at these rotary cutters. The rotary cutters are $10.98. Look at that. Rotary cutters at Walmart, not Walmart, but Joann's, are anywhere from $29 to $30. Sometimes you can get them from $19.99, but just be mindful to check out your local Walmart for your next notion deal. Let's go. All right, so that's my time in Walmart, checking out the deals right here. Let's go over to Joann's and see what deals do they have. All right.
Some of these sewing notions were 24 cents when I got up to the register. I'm not even kidding y'all. I had to double check the tag because I thought it was a mistake. I'm going to show y'all my receipt, okay?
All right, you guys. I was in Augusta, Georgia, Grovetown, Georgia, at the Walmart, and look at this receipt. You have elastic for $2.27, some buttons for 24 cents. Y'all see that? Like 24 cents. We got some more buttons, 24 cents. I don't remember what that was, but 64 cents. We just going down through this. More buttons for 24 cents, 97 cents for some needles. Like, y'all see that? I ended up paying $71.74 for all of this, okay? All of that, $71.74 compared to all of this at Joann's would have been over $100. Like, really?
I walked in expecting Walmart to maybe save me a couple of bucks. Now, blow Joann's prices out of the water, of course. Like, how is Walmart out here winning the game? Like, you got Joann's elastic being like $4.99 to $9.99 when Walmart elastic is costing 97 cents to $2.97 everyday prices, by the way. But we're not going to even talk about that. So here's the deal. Joann has some good deals if you catch the right sale, but the sale is not right now. But don't just assume the big sign means everything is 50% off. Like I said before, and I'm going to say it again. It says up to, which means it's not a sale and it is not 50% off. It is anything less than 50% off. Don't be fooled. I keep trying to tell y'all. Always, and I mean always, once again, always, and I mean always, check prices. Pull out your phone, compare the prices, use the app, use the coupons, which you can't use the app or the coupons right now at Joann, but you definitely want to use Walmart. And like I said, we sleep on Walmart simply because no one want to go to Walmart. But the best time to go to Walmart is early in the morning between 10 p.m. and 7 a.m. That's the only time you go find me in Walmart, because any other time it's just too busy with 2 registers and no associates to help you out. I'm sorry. If you work for Walmart, I'm sorry. I'm not talking about you, but I'm just talking about exactly what I've been seeing. So for basic supplies, Walmart prices are hard to beat. It is super hard to beat unless you go to the dollar store. And don't sleep on the dollar store, because they have some deals there as well. But let's be real. If you're spending double the money just for a brand name or a sell sign, is it even a sell? Tell me. Okay, so I walked around for quite some time and I don't see nothing that says 50% off. Here's the key word, up to, which means 10% up to 50% off. Everything is like 20, 30, and 40% off, but not a deal. So let's look around a little bit more. Time to hit up the clearance section and see what we find. Are you gonna say hello to the camera? Is it even a sale? So here's my final take. Those Joann's up to 50% off sale. Mostly hype, is super selective, and honestly not even worth the trip sometimes. Meanwhile, Joann's is out here hiking up their prices while Walmart is shocking the hell out of me. Prices that low, I mean, I didn't even see that coming. The best advice I can give you right now is compare prices. Don't fall for those shiny signs that you see up in Joann's. Know when to use a coupon, which you can't use coupon right now. So, I'm just saying. Know when to use a coupon. If you was able to use a coupon, know when to go in the stores, because these 50% off shiny signs just messing with the brains right now. And you need to know when to hit Walmart instead. All right, so I'm scrolling in Walmart again today. Today is March the 16th, out of town, Augusta, Georgia, by the way, and I decided to come in Walmart again because I came in yesterday before going to Joann's just to look at some pricing, and I was right that the prices at Walmart, in this Walmart, is cheaper. So tell me, y'all, did you guys fall to this 50% off trap before that Joann's has been doing for years, by the way? Or did you do like me and take your happy tail on over to Walmart to see what was on sale in the craft and sewing supplies? Let me know in the comment section below. Are you still shopping at Joann's, or you just gave that up in like the last week? Or are you really gonna ride out and go over to Walmart, like I said, and see if you can find a steal on your crafting supplies? Let me know in the comment section below. Well, if you found this video helpful, because that is it for this video, I hope you enjoyed. If this video was educational, inspiring, and fun, you guys know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up on this video. Share this video with a friend who can use this information, because we all trying to save those coins, those dollars, those dineros. You get my drift, right? And let me know in the comment section below. Are you going to Walmart between 10 p.m. and 6 a.m.? Best time to go, or 7 a.m., depending on if you got to work or not, all right? And do what's free, and that is subscribe. Did I tell you it's free? It's cool over here. You guys know that. If you haven't subscribed already, it's free. Subscribe, where I can provide you updates on Joann's and everything in between. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Until next time, keep sewing.